Welcome to ComFreight, everyone, and today we'll be going over the shipper account. The first thing you'll see when you sign in as a shipper user is the timeline and your activity feed. Here you'll see activity like truck matches to your load post, bids, and a history of all of your recent activity, which you'll be able to filter at any time. You'll also be able to remove timeline events so you can clean up your board from time to time as needed. Now in the settings section, you'll probably just want to double check your notifications before you get started. We have corresponding push notifications and email alerts for all of the main activity within your account. Now the most important section for you as a shipper is going to be post load. This is going to be the tool that gets you bids from carriers and brokers. Now you'll want to put in the pickup location, either city and state or full address, the destination city and state or full address. You want to put in the equipment type that you need to have to pick up your load, a target rate if you know what it is, the total number of pounds of weight in total pounds, the total length in feet, the first available pickup time, which would be the first open time for your facility or wherever the load's picking up, the close time, which would be the last available time and date to pick up the load, and the deliver by date, or when you need to have the load delivered. In the more details box, you can add details about the commodity, details about how the shipment is packaged, or any special requirements that will help the bidder give you the most accurate rate. Then you can select if you want to post this load out to carriers, brokers, or both. And we recommend you post this out to both carriers and brokers because you'll get a lot more options to move the load this way for rates. You'll see your pending bids right here in the post load screen reviewing your currently posted loads. And you can also review pending bids that are coming in on your load on your actual load details page as you can see it here in the system. You'll be able to accept bids directly from this screen, and this will alert the bidder with an email alert and push notification on their end that you have dispatched the load to them and that they need to come and pick it up. They may contact you to clarify a few details like specific information on pickup address or pickup notes. So be ready for that and make sure to reach out to them too if you can once you award the bid. Now you can manage your loads here by removing them or updating them and editing them from the post load screen. And as you remove these loads, let's say they're inactive or you no longer need bids, they will all move to your history section, and you can click that history button from the top of the screen here to get back to your history section. You can also copy loads that you previously posted from history, which just speeds up the ability for you to repost loads from lanes that you used to post in the past and makes it easier for you to quickly post, multiple loads or just new loads that are from the same lanes that you've posted in the recent past. Now the next tool I want to show you is the rate trend tool. Now this is available for a limited use when you're just using the account as a free shipper user. If you subscribe to full access, you'll be able to use this without any limitation, and it just gives you a general idea of what the trending market rates are for various key lanes in our system based on our bid data. Now here in notifications, we already mentioned that. Right below that, you'll see a section under notifications called documents, and the documents section is a little extra bonus tool here where you can actually upload specific important documents related to your business. They'll be hosted on the ComFreight cloud, and you can email them to anyone else, either user or anyone else outside the system that you need to, by storing them and sending them from here. The account section just allows you to update your user information and password for login, and you can also manage any blocked users here in case you ever have to do that. The profile section is your business profile. This is a new test account, so we do recommend you adding, a company logo, more information on your business, proper fax number and phone number. Make sure all this information is up to date and accurate as possible, because when you do award a bid or you interact with a truck match, this is the profile that the other user sees. Now, load posting and getting bids is always free, but if you want expanded capabilities like truck search and other features, we do have a full access subscription for $225 per year. We look forward to helping you in the ComFreight marketplace today. Thanks, everyone.